Do you want to make your video viral with quick and easy step, which Google itself is giving the tool where you are going to use that one and configure your video and make it viral? Then what you are waiting for? Let's go directly in my computer screen and I'm going to show you how you are going to do that step. Let's get started. Okay, here is the website which I am talking about, and it is from the Google itself, and it is opal.with google.com. You are going to come here and you have to log in with your Gmail account. And if you are not from the US, or if you are not log in from the US, then you can use any VPN to log in that website. Otherwise, it will not let you to use because it is only launched in USA. And that is why I'm saying it is very important to viral your video. Okay, now what you are going to do, you will come like in your YouTube channel. For example, if I need that video, okay, I have opened that video as well, like build Netflix clone with React.js and Tailwind CSS. And here I don't see like the time lapse is here, but I cannot see the, for example, I cannot see the chapters. And what I'm going to do, I will come in the Opal, create new, and I'm going to completely make one new AI agent. And here I'm going to say, I will, okay, I have written that I will provide you a YouTube URL, and you have to make chapter from that YouTube URL. Now we are going to just press, and we'll let that AI agent do every single task itself, and you don't need any technical like setting from here. Now you can see that it is already created. What is created, like we have three blocks which I'm going to also zoom in from here. And the first is like YouTube URL, generate video chapters, and render chapters as web page. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I have to run that app. And if you can see that, you can also check that one, enter YouTube. It is the prompt, like you can also change that one. And also here is like the different steps which has given the Gemini. Like you can see that it is the Gemini which is going to take that and see that if it is working or not. Then it will finally it will render that result into web page. Now what I am going to do, I am going to run that app, and we are going to come and start here. And then I'm going to copy, for example, the URL of that video. For now, uh, that video is very long. It may take a lot more time. Okay, how about if you are going to like use that video, you can also see that copy and view that in YouTube. And I can show you that it has, and it has no chapter in that video. We don't have any chapter. Okay, now what I am going to do, going to just copy the shareable link and come into that URL, and we are going to paste here. And now we are going to click on start, and here you are going to see that generate video chapter is already started. But if you come in editor, and in editor you have like console, in console you can see that it has like YouTube URL you have provided, and it is now generating video chapters and calling Gemini 2.5 flash, which is also calculating the timing as well, which is like 23 point or 24 25 second has taken. Now finally when you like get the result, it will call the result, but we will wait for the result. Now you can see that we have already completed that video chapters, and that is how like introduction to AI memory, why AI memory filter is on directly on YouTube. For example, what you are going to do, let me just click here, and we are going to click on preview, and there is the complete list. Okay, now I'm going to copy complete list, Control C. I have selected everything, Control C, and here we are going to edit that video. And then I'm going to, for example, here I'm going to click chapter, maybe chapters, and then we are going to add here the chapters. Okay, for example, the introduction, we have introduction. We can also give like that one, for example, also say that the format should be like this one. First, there should be like the timing, and there should be the text as well. Now I'm going to make correct every single of that one. Then we are going to check the video. I have arranged everything here. Now you can see that I'm going to save that one, and we are going to refresh. And hi everyone, today I'm and we are going to see the description, and here your chapters are like ready, and how quickly you can just create your chapters. And when your chapter will be created, then your view can increase automatically. I hope you got the idea how you are going to just use the AI and from Google itself and make chapters and make your video viral. And don't forget to subscribe if you like that video. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.